What's going on YouTube? It's your boy XL. Today we're getting ready to change the cabin air filters in my W220. First thing we're going to do is take these two plastic pieces off in order to access these screws to start removing my glove box. Once we remove the glove box, the air filters are inside here in this area here, okay? So we're going to pop off the little plastics, and then we're going to screw these here. You're going to need a small screwdriver to get in there. All right, once you're done with the bottom two, you're gonna have to take another screw out here that's underneath. And then there is another one right here. All right, so that's 4 screws, 2 underneath and then 2 above. Yeah, once you do this, your car will smell much better. You definitely need to change this. I would say, well, service B, this is part of the service B, so make sure you do that. All right, once you've taken out all 4 screws, it's gonna be loose here. So you're gonna wanna pull out the glove box. You're gonna want to disconnect the glove box light here. There's gonna be not difficult to pull out, but there's some tabs in there. Just gonna want to pull it out here like so. All right, and then you're gonna want to disconnect this here by pulling on this tab. All right, so that's for the light. And then you can put this to the side. If you want, you can disconnect this as well. This just comes out like this. And then you can move the glove box out the way. Once you move the glove box out the way, there is gonna be a cable right here. You don't have to disconnect it because you can just move it to the side. And then if you look in here, this is where the air filters are going to be, the cabin air filters for the vehicle up in here. So there is a tab here as well, this white tab. Now for the little white tab here, you're just going to push up on it like this here. And then it should just come out. There you go. As you can see, a little bit of dirt kind of came out of the air filter. Oh wow, look at that. Look how dirty that is. Very dirty. Tree, leaves, all types of stuff get caught up in there. And yeah, this is a sign of a filter that needs to be changed. Look at all that dirt. Look at all that. Just gonna start pulling that stuff out. Ooh, that is pretty bad. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, these were kind of overdue. Changing up, doing my service B, so I already did my oil. This is pretty bad. Like I said, there's two in there. So there's another one in here. It's kind of off to the right. Here's the other one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit here. Grab the new filters and put them on in. All right, here's the new filters I'm gonna put in the car. As you can see, look how clean they look. They come in a pair. This brand is Airmatic. You can get the man ones, those work good as well. Look at that, look at the difference. Dirty air filters. When your cabin air filters are dirty, you know, your car, it will start smelling. So it's better to change these out. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here right now. So the first one goes in, and these go up this way here, like this. First one goes in. Slide it on over that way. Sure it's in there. And then the other one will slide in right here. Before you do that, make sure to put your cover back on here. So yeah, this goes back up in here. Snap it in. All right, that's good. Yep, just go ahead and start screwing the glove box in there. Make sure it's nice and snug. Pretty easy job. Doesn't take much time, maybe 10-15 minutes. Now there are other filters in this car that I'm going to change. I'm going to make other videos for. You know, these two, like I said, are the cabin air filters. Helps with the smell. It filters out, you know, any bad smells. But then there's two other ones underneath here, which I'll make a video. Those are the charcoal filters. I'll make a video about that as well. Go ahead and subscribe. And I'm also going to do the engine filters as well, because that is very important for the air for the engine. And then put your little plastic pieces in. all set. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the box. Holla at your boy.